So it needs to be reassembled with using the components that is sent by this company. Of course, it's manufactured in China. God bless China. So this is the user manual. As you can see, it's pretty much self-explanatory. This is the user manual. This is reassembling sort of schematics, but this one is the real schematic. As you can see, I'll open it. Yeah. So this is the real schematic. As you can see, there is the open. There is a lot of stuff in here. There is ICs, integrated circuits, a lot of stuff, as you can see.